Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about exploring the incredible world of technology. Today, we're diving into a topic that's changing the way we live, work, and play. Artificial intelligence, or AI. Don't worry if you're new to this. We're here to break down the basics and show you real-life examples that'll make AI feel like a friendly neighbor. What is artificial intelligence? Imagine having a computer or a robot that can think, learn, and make decisions, just like humans do. That's the magic of artificial intelligence. It's all about teaching machines to be smart and do tasks that normally need human brain power. How does AI work? Okay, let's keep it simple. AI works by giving machines something called algorithms. These are like sets of instructions that tell the machines what to do. And guess what? Machines can learn from their experiences. They can look at a lot of data, learn patterns, and use that knowledge to do things even better in the future. Real-life examples. 1. Virtual assistants. You might have met Siri or Alexa. They're like digital helpers that answer questions and do things for you. They use AI to understand what you're saying and give you the right answers. 2. Netflix recommendations. Ever wondered how Netflix suggests movies you'll like? AI checks what you've watched before and suggests things you might enjoy based on that. It's like having a super smart movie buddy. 3. Self-driving cars. Imagine cars that drive themselves. AI helps them see the road, avoid obstacles, and keep you safe. It's like having a co-pilot who's a computer. 4. Healthcare diagnoses. Some AI can look at medical images, like X-rays, and tell if there's something wrong. This helps doctors catch problems early and treat patients better. 5. Language translation. Ever used Google Translate? It uses AI to understand one language and change it into another. It's like having a language genius in your pocket. Challenges and exciting future. Now, AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it can make mistakes because it learns from data, and if the data isn't good, well, neither is the learning. Plus, there's the whole, will AI take over jobs? Worry. But hey, humans are pretty smart too. We can work with AI to make things even cooler. The future? It's looking amazing. AI is growing fast, and it might help us solve big problems, like climate change or finding cures for diseases. We're talking robots that can help seniors, computers that create art, and who knows what else. Conclusion. And that's the AI story, folks. We've unpacked what AI is, how it works, and shown you some awesome real-world examples. From virtual buddies to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere, making life easier and more exciting. Remember, AI is like a tool we can shape to make our world better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being amazed by the magic of artificial intelligence.